Scope. This procedure covers the determination of specific gravity and absorption of coarse aggregate in accordance with AASHTO T85. Specific gravity may be expressed as bulk-specific gravity, GSB, saturated surface dry, GSB-SSD, or an apparent specific gravity, GSA. GSB and absorption are based on aggregate after soaking in water. This procedure is not intended to be used with lightweight aggregates. Tools needed: scale with water bath and basket attached, oven, towel, and pan. Split and dry a sample of appropriate size using this table. Immerse the sample in water at room temperature for 15 to 19 hours. Remove the test sample from the water. Pre-wet the towel. Roll the sample in a large towel or cloth until all visible films of water are removed. The rock on the left has a moisture sheen. The rock on the right is at SSD and has no moisture sheen. Record the SSD mass to the nearest tenth of a gram. Immediately place the SSD sample in the water basket and weigh it in water. Shake the basket to release entrapped air before recording the weight. Record the water weight. Remove the test sample from the water, making sure it is all accounted for. Dry the sample to constant mass at 230 degrees plus or minus 9. Once dry, record the weight. Using these calculations, with A equaling the oven dry mass, B the SSD mass, and C the weight in water, you could calculate the GSB, or the normal bulk specific gravity, the GSB SSD, the apparent specific gravity, GSA, and the absorption. These calculations demonstrate the relationship between the GSB, GSB SSD, and GSA. The normal specific gravity, or GSB, is always the lowest, since the volume includes the voids permeable to water. The GSB SSD is always intermediate, or in between, and the GSA is always the highest, since the volume does not include the voids permeable to water. When running this test, always check to make sure the values calculated make sense in relation to one another. Record the specific gravity values to 3 decimal places.